Welcome children, this is your social class. Children, today we are going to study a new lesson. The lesson name is The Festival We Celebrate. It's very simple chapter and very important chapter. The festivals we celebrate. The festivals. Have you heard about festivals? Have you celebrating festivals? Which are they? Which are the festivals are you are celebrating? നമ്മൾ ഏതൊക്കെ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ് ആണ് സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാറുള്ളത്? ടെൽ മീ സം ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽസ് നെയിം. യെസ്, ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ, ദെൻ റിപ്പബ്ലിക് ഡേ, ദെൻ ഗാന്ധി ജയന്തി, ഓണം, ക്രിസ്മസ്, ബക്രീദ്, ദെൻ ഈദുൽ ഫിത്തർ, ഈസ്റ്റർ. Lot of festivals we are celebrating. Am I right, children? So which are the festivals we are celebrating and which are the important festival, why we are celebrating this festival, and everything we are going to study in this lesson. Okay children, so we are celebrating any festival. What happened? നമ്മൾ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് കിട്ടാറുള്ളത്, എന്താണ് സംഭവിക്കാറുള്ളത്? യെസ്, ലോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ഫൺ. ഫൺ മീൻസ് തമാശ, isn't it? ആണോ? നിങ്ങൾ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന സമയത്ത് നിങ്ങളെ വീട്ടിൽ ഓണം ആഘോഷിക്കുമ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളെ വീട്ടിൽ ക്രിസ്മസ് ആഘോഷിക്കുമ്പോൾ തമാശ ഉണ്ടാവാറുണ്ടോ? യെസ്, വി ആർ ലോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ഫൺ. ദെൻ യെസ്, ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ഈസ് ടൈം ഫോർ ഫൺ. Then we are distributing sweets and we can meet lots of relatives. ആണോ? നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിൽ നല്ല ഏതെങ്കിലും ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിൻ്റെ സമയത്ത് ഓണം, ക്രിസ്മസ്, ബക്രീദ് ഈ സമയങ്ങളിലൊക്കെ റിലേറ്റീവ്സ് വരാറുണ്ടോ? നിങ്ങൾ സ്വീറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാറുണ്ടോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്വീറ്റ്സ് കൊടുക്കാറുണ്ടോ? യെസ്. സോ വാട്ട് ഹാപ്പൻ? എ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ഇസ് എ ടൈം ഫോർ ഫൺ, ഈറ്റിംഗ് സ്വീറ്റ്സ് ആൻഡ് സ്പെഷ്യൽ ഡിഷസ്, wearing new clothes and meeting relatives and friends, isn't it children? So the celebrating time, we all are very happy. Okay children, so many festivals are celebrated in India. Many festivals are celebrated in India. So ഏതൊക്കെയാണത്? So that is, I am already explaining which are they, the names: Independence, Gandhi Jayanti, Onam, Ramzan, Bakri, Christmas, etc. So in your textbook, one gets started. One of the activities there, write the names of 6 festivals you celebrate. Which are the 6 festivals? നിങ്ങൾ celebrate ചെയ്യുന്ന, you are celebrating which some festivals name you want to write in your textbook. Get started. Page number 157. You want to do it. You want to self do it in your textbook. Okay. And the next one is circle the one you like the most. You want to circle any one you like most. ഈ എല്ലാ സെലിബ്രേഷനിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട്, ഫെസ്റ്റിവലിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് which one you like most, that's also you want to circle them. Okay children, so that is get started. And people celebrate both national and religious festival. Children, this all festival we are dividing to, that is national festival and religious festival. നമ്മൾ ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ ഫെസ്റ്റിവലും we are dividing to national festival and religious festival. So which are the national festivals? That is, the national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. The religious festivals are, which are the religious festival are Onam, Bakrid, Ramzan, then Christmas, Easter. These are religious festival. So what is national festival? Why we are celebrating national festival? So national festival to remember some important events. Which are the important events? So we have already know that India will get freedom, that is 1947 August 15. So during after that, what are the important events? എന്തെല്ലാമാണ് നമ്മുടെ important events? എന്തെല്ലാമാണ് important event? Event means incidents, happened, സംഭവിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ അത് നമ്മളെ റിമെമ്പറൻസ്, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് നമ്മളെ ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് വി ആർ സെലിബ്രേറ്റിംഗ് നാഷണൽ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ. സോ വൈ വി ആർ സെലിബ്രേറ്റിംഗ് നാഷണൽ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ? വി ആർ സെലിബ്രേറ്റിംഗ് നാഷണൽ ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ടു റിമെമ്പർ some important events. Okay children, and festivals related to a particular religion. So that is what is religious festival? That is festival related to a particular religion are called religious festival. Okay, particular religion are called religious festival. So particular religions means that means Muslims, they are celebrating which one? Isn't it the Muslims celebrating Christmas? Yes, we are celebrating, but mostly they are celebrating ഏതാണ് അവർ ഏതാ സെലിബ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? That is Bakrid, isn't it? The Christmas also celebrating Christians, isn't it? So the depending the particular religion is celebrating religious festival. That is the difference of national festival and religious festival. Okay children, and in India people celebrate all festival no matter which religion they follow. We also celebrate the birthday of some great people as festival also, and we are celebrating some festival, the great person's birthday also we are celebrating in our India. Okay, and also the next is the importance of national festival. Which are the importance of national festival? So the first one is Republic Day. The Republic Day, which year or which month we are celebrating Republic Day means children, the Republic Day we are celebrating when? Every January 26th we are celebrating Republic Day. We are celebrating Republic Day on 26th January. We are celebrating Republic Day on 26th January. Okay, what happened after that? അന്ന് എന്തെല്ലാമാണ് സംഭവിക്കുന്നത്? What happened during that day? That is, the president hosts the national flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi in Rajpath, who's that? Our president flag hosting. Okay, the president hosts the national flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. Okay, tell me children, who is our president? Who is our president? Tell me children, president in perenda? Who is our president? What is the name? That is Ramnath Kovind. Okay, so the president hosts the national flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. Then what happened after that? Everything we are seeing in that TV, that including news, we are heard that everything, and we can see that. So what happened after that? Yes, parade is held from there. Parade. So what type of the parade? Aarellamana, who are the forces are participating? That is, this is followed by grand parade, the armed forces, then police, then these are the peoples are including, or these are the peoples participate parade, and the folk dancers also participate their programs, cultural programs, and school children also including this program. Okay, so this everything is happening January 26th, and one of the important thing is to give an bravery award. What do you mean by bravery award? ധീരതയ്ക്കുള്ള അവാർഡ്. നിങ്ങൾ കാണാറുണ്ട് മെഡലൊക്കെ വാങ്ങുന്നത് ഓരോരുത്തർ നമ്മുടെ പ്രസിഡന്റിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് വന്ന് മാർച്ച് ചെയ്ത് വന്ന് സല്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത് മെഡലെല്ലാം വാങ്ങുന്നത് കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ബ്രേവറി അവാർഡ്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഡേ ടു ഗിവ് അൻ ബ്രേവറി അവാർഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ so many cultural programs also held from there. Okay, where in Delhi. So 26th January, that is in Republic Day. So, okay, so these are the important points of Republic Day, and the next one is Independence Day. What are the importance of Independence Day? So Independence Day is August 15th. We are celebrating Independence Day on 15th August. India become, what happened that day? India become independent on this day in 1947. Okay, India get freedom from the Britishers. അതുവരെ നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യം ഭരിച്ചിരുന്നത് ആരായിരുന്നു? ബ്രിട്ടീഷേഴ്സ് ആയിരുന്നു. That everything you're going high classes, you will be study this all things. ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർ എങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു, അവരെങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ നാടിനെ കൊണ്ടുപോയത്, എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ വലിയ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പഠിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇന്ത്യ ഗെറ്റ് ഫ്രീഡം ഫ്രം ദ ബ്രിട്ടീഷേഴ്സ്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 1947 August 15th. That is, we are celebrating Independence Day. Okay, and the Prime Minister, that day the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Okay, so Independence Day, Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. At the same time, Republic Day, our Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. Okay, children, and on this day we remember those who fought for the freedom of our country. അന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഓർക്കും ആർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്, നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് കുറേ പേര് സ്ട്രഗിൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് revolutionaries are struggled in our India for freedom. So we are remember this everything. Okay, children, and the third one is Gandhi Jayanti. So we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. That is, it is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so what happened after that? A prayer meeting is held at Rajpath, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so these three things are religious festival. So important one is that in your textbook asking one question, why do we celebrate national festival, and second one is how is Republic Day celebrate in the capital of India, third one, why do we celebrate Independence Day. Okay, so we are already discussed that. So the Republic Day, why we are celebrating Republic Day and Independence Day, we are already discussed. Every children look at the blackboard. So we are already discussed Republic Day. We are celebrating 26th January, and the president hosts the national flag at Rajpath in New Delhi. Then lots of peoples are, so lots of forces are doing the parade. That is armed force, police, they are doing the parade, and folk dancers and school children are doing the cultural program. And the last to give one bravery award in this day. Okay, these are the important points of Republic Day. This is also important question is that, and the third question also, what is we are celebrating Independence Day. That is on 15th August we are celebrating Independence Day, and the Prime Minister hosts the national flag from our Prime Minister. Who is our Prime Minister, children? Yes, Narendra Modi, isn't it? Yes, so Prime Minister hosts the national flag from where? That is at the Red Fort in New Delhi. So these are the important things, and Gandhi Jayanti we are celebrating the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, 2nd October. So read your textbook, children, study well. Okay, thank you.